Okay, now we're going to open our browser and then search for Dakini AI and click the first link that appears. Then we navigate ourselves to find the Get Started button. We click it. Here we can either sign up with Google or use our own credentials to sign up. We can manually get them and then check the I agree to the terms and service box and then create account. But now I choose to sign in with Google. This might take a while. As you can see, I have my account here. I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to scroll down and click the continue button. And yes, this is our dashboard. We are logged in. Now we move on to create a new agents. We can either use that Create AI Voice Agent 1 or go to the Agents tab to create our voice agent. Here we click the Create New Agent button and enter the required fields. I enter mine. This is an example. You can enter yours. This is my business name. This is also an example. The description about the product or service is really optional, so you can either enter it or choose not to. Now we click Create Agent. And there we go. We created our first agent. And this is it. See you in the next one. Thank you.